check this out. So here's the thing. A few years ago, heck, even 1 year ago, what you're about to see would have felt like something out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine taking a picture that you made, it's flat and lifeless, but then in seconds, you've completely changed it. Now it's blinking, breathing, and even moving like it's alive. And you weren't using expensive software or have complicated skills, but somehow, with just a few button clicks, boom, you've changed it and now your image is a moving video. Sounds crazy, right? And here's the part that'll really blow your mind. Some AI tools in 2025 are 100% free. Yep, I said free. Better yet, some don't even have watermarks, and they're all just pure AI magic at your fingertips. Even better, hardly no one even knows these AI tools exist. Most people will never use these. Why? Probably because they don't even know they're out there. But you're about to get a front row seat. In this video, I'll be sharing 4 free AI tools that can turn your images into videos instantly. Tools so powerful, they'll change the way you think about content creation. So if you're watching this, you're already ahead of 99% of people. This is the future of video creation. So buckle up, because once you see these free AI tools in action, you'll want to try them out right away. Let's get started. All right, so we'll go to Google and type in Veer AI. Click on this first one and it'll take you to this page. Notice right now it's saying enjoy unlimited access to their free tools. So the first thing I'll do is go to image to video, since we're talking about video generators in this lesson. If you scroll down, you'll see some examples that other people have made. Check this out. It says there are no subscriptions, no watermarks, and watermark free. Also, they can be used in any professional scenario. Your video is truly yours. So let's go back up to the top and click on Generate Video from Image. I've already logged into my account. Make sure you sign up for one if you want to try this AI tool. Now I'll upload an image, then choose your settings and click Generate. Okay, that took maybe a minute to process. Let's watch it. So there is some morphing and weirdness going on with the mouth and the eyes, so it's not perfect. Notice it has no watermark on it. Let's try another one. So go back to image to video and add another image. Click Generate. I do want to point out while the video is processing that it says right here this tool is unlimited and free. Okay, let's watch it. Overall, it's not bad, but it's still a little weird with morphing. But if you want to download it, just click here. If you want even better quality, you could always sign up for their premium or max models. Here are their prices if you wanted to know. They offer a free plan and 2 paid levels. All right, now we'll search for an AI tool called Quinn AI. Click on the first one here, and then you'll need to sign up for an account. Okay, so I'm logged in and I'll click on More. Then on Video Generation right here, these are some samples. So I'll choose 16:9 and put a prompt here. Let's click on it and see what we get. Okay, so this one took about 6 or 7 minutes to process, so be prepared. And I already see a few things wrong with it. Notice it's not a cartoon image like in the prompt, but it is some kids playing music. Notice it does not have a watermark, so that's good. Okay, so it's not the worst I've ever seen, but it's not that great either. I'll try one more. Wow, this one did not follow my prompt at all. So this is Quinn. Feel free to try it out for yourself. All right, now we're going to check out AIvideomaker.ai. And on this one, you can choose image to video or text to video. I'm gonna do image, so I'll click here and upload an image. Actually, I'll click here and upload that. And I'll choose 16:9, confirm. Okay, and we can choose 5 seconds for free. Medium. Okay, so if you want these others, you would have to actually log in and pay. But for free, we'll keep the settings as is. Next, click video.
Notice I'm not even logged in yet, so right now it's telling me it's going to take it a while. So I'll come back here when it's done. So thankfully, it didn't take the whole 30 minutes to process. It took about 15 in the queue. But once it started rendering, it went pretty fast, like maybe a minute and a half to finish. So let's see what it looks like. That's actually pretty good, and then just download it here when you're done. Also, there is no watermark, so that is really cool. So this is aivideomaker.ai, so come try this out if you've got some time to spare and see what you can make on your own here.
All right, now we're gonna go to Google and search for Whisk AI or something to that effect, and you'll see it here. So let's click on that, and here we are on the Whisk site. You will need an account and to log in. This is experimental, but it does make really good images and videos too. So log in, then click here to enter the tool. This is set up a little different than most generators. Click here to add your subject. You can use either a text prompt or an image, and then you come down to scene and do the same basically. And then you come down to style and make your choice. Then click on your size, and this tool will take these three things and put them together to make an image. So let's click here. Okay, so it doesn't make images of children. So let me try something else. I'll delete that, and I'll put this one in here like that. I'll keep this the same. Let's keep it landscape and everything. Let that finish, and then click here. So it'll make two. All right, and here we go. So here it is. We'll click on this. Oh, great. So very good images. Okay, so I think I'll take this one, and instead of doing anything else, I'll just click on animate. So now the video is making. Right here, it shows you how many generations you have left, so there is a limit on usage, but they are free and they are very good quality compared to some of the other free generators. So let's see what this gives us. So now it's finished. So here is the image, and here's the video and the prompt. So let's play it. Interesting. I know you can't hear it, but it did add sound. So I can hear the men stepping and the wind blowing, which the last time I used this tool, it did not have sound. So that's interesting. It does have a little tiny watermark, but overall, that is not very bad at all. When you're ready, come up here, click here to download, and then that's all you do. So come here and give it a try and see what you can make.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.